Welcome back, Disney lovers. I'm Kathy and I'm back with another video. I just got back from Disney at the end of August and then things have been crazy with school starting, but I am back and I am back to receiving my subscription boxes now that summer's over and I saved some money for our Disney trip. So I am here today with a Magic at Your Door unboxing. This is the Magic at Your Door box for the month of September. Happy fall all the way through Christmas is like the best time of the year. I love it even more than summer, which is saying a lot since I have off in summertime. So let's get to the box. Before I start, I'm wearing another D3 tee. So it's one of their pocket tees. This is the Polynesian pocket tee. We stayed in the Poly this summer with our DVC points. It was amazing. So very exciting, and I love their tees. Obviously, I wear D3 tees all the time in my videos and all the time, period, because they're casual enough to wear at home, but also have that little Disney flair to wear in the parks. So, okay, let's move on. Here is my Magic at Your Door box for the month of September. Now, there is this little design in the corner with all these question marks and a few different like character symbols. Peter Pan, Beauty and the Beast, Alice, Little Mermaid, so Mickey. I'm really curious as to see what's going on in here. Now, the September boxes were a little bit late with all of the bad weather going on, hurricanes, things like that. So I actually haven't seen anyone's unboxing, so I have no idea what to expect this month. And after 2 months off, I'm so excited. Magic at Your Door. So, okay, let's move to my favorite part. Ugh. Not struggling to open the box. That's not my favorite part. My favorite part is the confetti. So we have just white this month, but it's still special because it makes me feel like I'm opening like a big surprise gift. And there's a little bit of like shiny silver in there too. So first thing that I see when I open the box is their little pricing information sheet. It says new product alert, one-time Disney Pins mystery box. So that's awesome. And then it has all of the color code prices. So keep that off to the side. Let's move some of this. Oh my gosh. You may have just seen earlier one of my videos, which was a trip announcement, and we just got back from Disney in August, and my fiance and I are going again in November. So in November, we're going back to Disney. We're going to do Food and Wine Festival, and I just announced that, and what perfect timing, because look at what is the first thing in my box. They are Food and Wine Festival ears. Oh my gosh. So I put in my description, I went and edited my information saying that I was going to Disney for Food and Wine in November. So they knew, and they got me the ears. It says 2018 Food and Wine Festival, and it has a list of all the different countries, and it looks kind of like cork. And then there's this beautiful reddish color bow. So let me just try to see if we can focus in on those ears. Yeah, so all the different countries. It says Food and Wine. And then this bow, look at that color. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Maybe I should wear these for the rest of the video. Yep, probably. Let's see. Oh. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Magic at Your Door. That's gonna make my trip for Food and Wine so special that I already have the ears to bring with me, and I can plan an outfit now according to the color scheme. So thank you. Let's see what else we've got going on in here. I am loving this like fall color scheme, this like reddish maroonish color. So, okay, this is cool. I have not gotten a bag like this before. So it is a little Minnie Mouse purse, I think. Yeah, it looks like it has a strap to hold, and then it also has in here one of like the long straps that I can put over my shoulder. It is, yeah, Disney Parks, Minnie Mouse. So it says Minnie Mouse right there. Let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. Oh! Okay, guess what's in here? The silver pouch. Clever, clever, you guys. So I'll save that for later, but here is the big strap, and then, oh my gosh, there's more. So this took up like pretty much the whole box, and I was like, oh, I'll have to dig down and see. There's more inside the bag. I can't even. This is so, so cute. I love when they hide things like that. Okay, let me take it out, but then continue with the bag. So, cute bag. Love the colors. Could it go with these ears? Maybe. But super cute little Minnie Mouse bag. I can never have too many Disney purses. And this is one that I would use normally too. It's got these cute bows on it. So, very nice. I like that. And this was inside of the bag. Let's check it out, see what it is. So, Minnie Mouse theme we've got going on. It says Minnie. So it looks like it's just a V-neck, size large, 100% cotton. I was gonna say, it feels really nice. And let's do silver pouch duty. Silver pouch duty. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just like this silver pouch. Okay, looks like there's a pin in there. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so I just got engaged over the summer, and we went to Disney with my family, so we got to celebrate a little bit. But when we go in November, this is gonna be like our couples trip, like our celebration, just the two of us. And we had a whole up-themed engagement, and we had an up-themed engagement party that our parents threw for us. But so we have a lot of like up-related things. But my fiance really likes WALL-E, likes the movie WALL-E, and so Magic at Your Door put in this little pin set of WALL-E and Eva. How cute. Never know. He always says Eva. I don't know if we're supposed to say Eve, but whatever. To me, it's WALL-E and Eva. How cute. We can bring these with us. Oh, thank you, Magic at Your Door. That was really sweet. This little couple's pin. That was really special. Thank you. So we have that, and then I believe there's more. What is this? Let's see. Oh, cool. Okay. I believe this is the first time that I've gotten one of these from Magic at Your Door. It is a photo frame, a picture frame, and it is Splash Mountain. Let me take the bubble wrap off. So it says Splash Mountain, the laughing place. So it has the characters on the side and a little spot for your picture to go in the middle. So that's cute. Let's see if I can take it out of this packaging. I think it'll be a little easier to see. Yeah, there's gonna be a little bit of a glare on it, because the lighting in here is terrible. I know I'm not in my usual place, but it is dark. The lighting is bad all over right now. So got like a clear overlay on top of the picture. Splash Mountain is my favorite ride in Magic Kingdom, my absolute favorite ride. And I put that in my information, and I, you know, like I kind of was like, I'll put my favorite rides and things like that, but what could I get that would go with a ride? A lot of the merchandise is like characters, yeah, but this is so cool. I never thought about this. I actually have a picture from our last trip on Splash Mountain that would be perfect to put in this. So, oh, now I'm so excited. Yay! Okay, thank you. I love this. All right, so let's see. My floor is a mess. You should see these things are everywhere. They're all over me, my floor. Okay, so I want to talk about price. These ears, and I'll add this up as we go. So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking down at my phone. So the Food and Wine Festival ears are $24.99. A photo frame, $16.99. The Minnie Mouse V-neck t-shirt, the price is a little bit worn off. It looks like maybe there was a discount tag over it or something. I can see a 3 for like 30 something, but it might have been discounted, but that's okay. I'm gonna put 30 just to be safe. The purse is $39.99, so about 40. And then the cute little couple Wally pin is the color pink. So according to the pink, it's $14.99. There we go. $126.96. So it could have been a little bit less amount-wise if that shirt was discounted. So even if that shirt was like half off, if it was $15 less, still, this is awesome. So I only paid $90 for this box, including shipping. And it's so nice to get things that I'm not in the parks to get right now. So I'm not there to get these Food and Wine Festival ears. And by the time I get there, which I'm going towards the end of Food and Wine, I don't even know what'll be available. So this is so, so special. This box was personalized so well, and it was worth the extra couple days wait, which really were only a couple days. It was no problem at all. So I'm so happy with this box. Thank you guys so much, Magic at Your Door. And thank you guys for watching along with my video. I will be continuing to get my subscription boxes for the rest of the year, and maybe I'll stop again around summertime. But for now, I will be posting these once a month, so keep an eye out. And I'm currently working on a few vlogs from our trip in August. So please stay tuned. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like this video, comment down below. I'd love to hear what's going on in Disney right now, if you're there. If you know something about the items or things like that, please, please, please let me know down below. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Okay, bye Disney lovers.